Okay, so I'm going to do a demo on listing optimization AI. So the step number one is go to market intelligence report, because based on this report, your creative brief and everything will be built. So you can do it in two different ways, uh, generate by keyword or the ASIN. You can copy and paste the ASIN. Sorry, not this one. I'm going to grab the ASIN and paste it over here and choose the marketplace. So this is a US marketplace. So I'm going to choose US and click on generate button. So if your ASIN is not live, or if you don't have good pictures on your ASIN, then you can also generate the market intelligence by clicking on the generate by keyword. And once it does that, it will just start its thing. It takes about 2 minutes to generate the market intelligence report. So all you have to do is just wait, or check your email once it's ready. You can always come back, but it's pretty quick normally. All right, so the brief is ready. I'm going to click on that and see what's going on. So this is where I have the reviews analysis dashboard. You can see the positive themes. You can see pain points, feature requests in the reviews, and you can also see your customer demographics, like who exactly is being, is the ideal customer or buying product. You'll see your top pain points over here, and what is the impact. You will see some customer motivations here, and key decision making factors when people are buying this product. And this is one of my favorite areas, because the tool automatically analyzes, it analyzes all your reviews, and it also analyzes your competitor reviews. So the entire market intelligence report is built from the real reviews. You can see more. All you need to do is just click more. So everything is just coming from the real data, real reviews. And you can also see your images. You can see your competitor images. So this is like a great space for you to take a look at your competitors and see what kind of images you should be doing in your image stack. So if something stands out, you can just save that image. You know what exactly to work on. So this is a great place, right? So for example, this ASIN is standing out. In this case, different one is standing out. So it's a really good place to start. Really does proper market intelligence report. You can see your competition over here. Like very detailed customer avatars are built out, like who exactly is buying your product. Like 30% of the buyers are outdoor enthusiastic people, eco-friendly people, fitness freak people. So these are like very detailed customer avatars, and there are some like extra market report. So once this is done, you can just click on the create brief over here, and your brief will start right away. And it also takes about a couple of minutes. So while this is being done, what I'm going to have to do is just maybe I'll show you some other stuff. Maybe you can also upload a list of your ASINs. You can just download the template, and even if you have like thousands of ASINs that you want to optimize the listing for, just download the template, upload the template over here after putting the ASIN information, and then click the generate button, and your ASINs will be, the copywriting will be done. Same thing for your single ASIN mode. So you can just give the ASIN language and everything, your copy will be ready to go. Let's go back and see if the brief is ready. Right now, it's 1 minute out. So in the meantime, I'll show you something else. You can also like drag and drop, if you upload your product image over here, and if you upload the lifestyle setup or the scene where you want your product to be photoshopped, just move it over here, and the final image will be ready. Okay, so now let's go back and take a look at the brief. So it should be ready any minute from now. Okay, so your creative brief is ready. This is one of my favorite areas or workplace where I can just focus and just optimize the listings, listing images for that ASIN. So you will see main images section over here. You will see secondary images like infographics and lifestyle images over here. You can take a look at the market intelligence report. Then A+ content, video screenplay. You can check your competitors' images once again. Okay, so let's go to the images part. So I go to the images. All you have to do is just like click on how many pictures you want to generate. Let's say you want to generate 5 images. Click on and choose the which marketplace do you want to, which LLM model, image generation model do you want to use. So you can use both, like OpenAI or Google Gemini. I'm gonna use both. I'm gonna click on generate button. So in about like few seconds, maybe takes about like, Gemini is really fast. Within few seconds we should have the picture. Uh, but ChatGPT can take up to 30 to 40 seconds to generate all those images. Okay, check this out. So all Gemini images, they are ready. You can see, they're all optimized for Amazon click-through rate, right? So let's take a look at the ChatGPT. ChatGPT knows a lot more. More than Gemini, but it tends to change the product a little bit. So that's where you have to find the right balance. So this is how you generate images. Same thing, I'm going to maybe choose 5 over here. I'm just going to generate 5 for each, just on the safer side, so that I have like a lot of good images. So I'm going to go to maybe lifestyle images over here, generate 5 images, because for lifestyle I know Gemini will do better job. So I'm just going to generate using Gemini. 5. Same thing over here. Just going to generate 5. Like Amazon compliant image. So all of these images are like, very Amazon compliant without risk, but these are like more a little bit of like, fancy images that you can leverage to gain extra click-through rate. Let's go back and check lifestyle images now. So lifestyle images, why did I choose? Okay, yeah, so lifestyle images. Okay, so those images are ready. Look at that. So these images, check Gemini images first. They look very, very real. It's very well thought, like, temperature control, and it's also in the mountains at height where, you know, it's generally where people need, like, it gets cold and you need some, warm drink or something. So these are Chat GPT images. Let's take a look at the Gemini images over here. Like, really good. I mean, out in the park. So the lifestyle setup is also, it's spot on. In the gym, exactly where you need those. So it's very well thought images, exactly where the product should be used. So these are my lifestyle images. I'm going to go to infographics. Um, check out these like really good. Check out, ice and hot. It stays cold for 24 hours, hot for 12. you know Grip Go, hydrate. So it's, portable. You can like take it on, you can use it on the go. Really good images. I'm happy with all these different designs. um, let's take a look. Okay, so these are all like different types of images which are ready, but what if I wanted to add some more images? Let's say if something is missing. Okay, you can choose the type of images that that are probably missing that you really wanted. So you can choose from like 80 plus different templates. So let's say if you want to show maybe benefit collage, click on the generate concept, and all those concepts will be generated. There you go. And now one more cool feature, you can also like choose from the main image templates. Let's say if you wanted to do something like this product packaging and a prop on the side and a splash behind the product, you can just click on the generate concept and that concept will be generated over here. You can click on like more different types of images. Let's say if you wanted to add a removable sticker on the product, you can just add a removable sticker on the product. So okay, exactly the type of image that we requested. The image type is ready. Great features that I really love about this tool are you can regenerate, you can give specific feedback by typing it over here, or you can choose over suggested templates. You can just choose these one of these prompts and make it better if you want to regenerate, or just open the image. Let's say you wanted to change this image, just open this image, and now you can either click and leave feedback. You can leave comments for your designer, or you can highlight the area as well to to leave feedback. So your designer can do that. So this is all-in-one tool that we're building for Amazon brands, and especially for Amazon agencies, just like us. You can use it, impress your clients, increase your profit margins, increase your creativity. So yeah, if you have any feedback, if you're not part of our beta testing program, you can go and sign up. But if you have any questions, leave in the comments below. Thank you.